Good morning, fishermen. Sun's up. Fish are in the water. Dogs are barking. Birds are tweeting. Let's go and get some fish. Rightio, fishermen. Go fish on. Try and keep them up out of the weed. First tactic in this spot, head for the weeds. Second tactic is a raupo. He's heading for the raupo now. There he is. Got a bit of weight to it, this one. It's a jack. It's doing that angry head shake thing. Same as a snapper. Hopefully we'll be able to let this one go. Yep, hooked on the corner of the mouth. So this one gets to go home. We've already got a fish for Moggy. Looking like a big fat hen. Ah, there we go. Stunning hen. Right up. Yep. Got roe on her. She's ready to go home. She's ready not to. She's about a week and a half away from spawning. But that's all good. Put her back where she came from. She gets to go in and have her chance. No point killing them when they're like that, because they're just full of roe. They look fat, but they're full of roe. So, bye bye.